today we're going to be making an AI masking preset to pop our subject from our backgrounds. It's pretty simple, should take probably less than 5 minutes or so. We're going to start by opening up the masking panel, adding a subject mask, then duplicating and inverting that mask. So now we have two masks, one that is our subject and one that is the reverse of our subject. This mask isn't perfect, it's not always going to be perfect. Normally we might go and refine it a little by adding and subtracting to these, but for today we will just call this good. So on this background mask, we're going to drop our highlights, boost our shadows, drop our whites, drop our blacks. We are also going to reduce the texture, the clarity, and the sharpness, and we're going to add some noise reduction. So to show you, this was before, and after on that. We're going to go over to our mask that was our subject. On this one, we're going to do a very slight boost to the exposure. We will open up our shadows a bit, drop our highlights a little, raise our whites, probably just a little bit, and then drop our blacks. So you can see the before and after of both those masks together. I think we'll actually on this add a little bit of clarity and maybe some sharpness, really make them stand out. So there you go. These are our two masks, and now to make this into a preset, we're going to go over to the Add New Presets button over here, Create Preset, select just masking, make sure our two masks are selected, make sure we're supporting the amount slider. Type in a preset name, we'll call this Goose Pop, and click Create. So now, as you can see, Goose Pop showing up over here. I put it under a group called Subject Adjustments. You can make your own group or just put it under the Use Presets if you want. Let's give this photo a quick reset to see where we started from. And now we can see how our Goose Pop does. Give it a click. See it's mastered right away, and now we can use this amount slider to adjust the intensity of our effect. So depending upon how much you want, you can go 0 up to a bunch. And then if you have issues like we got this little bright spot in the wing, you can go in, click on your mask here, and you can use a brush to add in and correct areas like that where it's just not done it quite. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We've got all these areas corrected now. Goose is looking pretty good, and at this point you can just close down your masking and you can just edit the photo as you might normally do anything else you want. Those masks will stay there, adding that nice extra pop. So without the masking and with the masking. And that's pretty much it. So please, if you would, like and subscribe, as everybody says. I would appreciate it. And I'll try to get some more of these editing videos out. Help you guys make some more presets or just find some little tips and tricks. Thank you much. Have a good day.